believe in burning candles. Yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do.
Welcome back, or welcome to Katrina's Price's Home, Life, and More. It's a lifestyle channel. I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my priceless kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well.
And I'm so happy to be back today with a quick video because, yeah, I need to crank out at least 3 or 4 fall home decor inspiration and motivational videos. So without further ado, I'm back. Let's get it. Let's go. I have a small haul on today, and let's start with Hobby Lobby. I have 6 of these, and they were $3.99 each with 40% off. And they are this beautiful bronzy brown chargers. And again, 6 of these, $3.99 with 40% off. So of course, you know, a tablescape is in the future. Next up, I have this beautiful glass vase, jar-like. I love the color. It was only $10.99 with 40% off. And I also purchased 3 candles. They were $1.69, and I don't think anything was off, but $1.69. At Hobby Lobby, I went to the floral section. I purchased 2 of these stems with the multicolored, warm-colored pumpkins. This was $8.99 with 40% off. Then I need just a few more stems, and I purchased these beautiful stems here for $4.99 with 40% off. And these beautiful sunflowers. Purchased 2 of them. They were $7.99 with 40% off. Because I only have one thing from Walmart. And it's this farm apple pumpkin. And it was only $5. Ugh. Y'all, this smells good. I can't wait. It's a 1 wick. Doesn't matter. I'm still going to burn it. I believe in burning candles. Yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so that's it from Walmart. Now let's go to Amazon. I have a twin pack of chocolate and caramel piped 12 by 20 lumbar pillow cover. And I also purchased the matching 18 by 18 pillow covers. Link all of the items from Amazon in the description box below. And of course, they will be in my Amazon storefront, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your shopping convenience. I ordered this chocolate brown. Oh, y'all see that? This chocolate brown velvet curtain, 52 by 84 by the company Nice Town. These are not identical, but they're close enough. They're close enough. And I have 2 packs of those. And I also ordered another coffee table book in this dark chocolate brown theme as well. You see it, you see it. You'll have to come back for, the living room makeover. So thank you so much for stopping by the channel for today's quick shopping haul. Make sure to join me on Tuesday for my fall 2025 living room makeover. Until then, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.
And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload.